Your Nintendo Switch is frozen. Here are 6 ways you can fix it. Before we move forward, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research trying to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. Now, let's get started. Method 1. If your Switch is frozen while playing a game, then the first thing you can do is try restarting the game. Press the home button, then choose the X button next to close software. Reopen the game and check if this fixes the problem. If you cannot close the game and nothing happens when you press the home button, restart the Switch. Method 2. The next thing you can do is restart the Nintendo Switch. Press and hold the Nintendo's power button for nearly 20 seconds. After the screen goes completely dark, press the power button until you see the Switch logo. Method 3. Another thing you should do is try charging your Nintendo Switch. If the Nintendo Switch's battery is low, then there won't be sufficient power for running the system. So charge it. Connect the device first to the charger and then allow it to get fully charged. Once charged, press the power button and turn on the Switch. Method 4. The next thing you can do is check for issues with the game card and the SD card. Turn off the Switch and look for dirt or dust in the game card. Also, check the same for the micro SD card slot. Make sure to check the SD card for any damage as well, because a damaged SD card can cause Switch to freeze. If it is damaged, change it. Otherwise, wipe the dirt from the card slot with a dry cloth. Once done, turn on the device. Method 5. Next, try removing any wired controller attached to the Switch. Unplug it and see if the problem gets fixed. Method 6. The next thing you can do is contact Nintendo customer support. For that, open your browser and visit support.nintendo.com and select your region. Scroll down and click on Contact Us. From here on, you can either create a ticket or directly connect with their customer support through chat or voice call. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel and get quick solutions to all your tech issues. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and always remember that we are here to help you out.